So talking about the event in May, this is not necessarily a plug or anything like that, but for those of you who may not know, Buddy has a brand new book that he put out, and this is my copy that he sent.
It's awesome.
Yeah, relatively
It's a
new.
fantastic-
Yeah, it's a great book.
Actually, it was published in 2008.
Oh, okay. But
How did we not
Well,
hear
it's
about
great.
this?
But you know, I think it really covers a lot with the material and by working it up vertical surface.
mhm.
And
Yeah.
2008.
So this
Well,
is,
thank you for the copy. I read it through a couple of times, and it's really, really cool.
this is one of the
Thank you.
this is the project we're going to be working on with you. And I thought that was a brilliant idea to have essentially, let me get it in frame here, not necessarily a step-by-step process for, the attendees or anybody else, but it's something where if you have foreknowledge of what's going to be done in terms of the grand scope of things, and then you actually immerse yourself in the process, it's at least for me, I'm speaking for myself, is if I know that what the big picture is going to look like, and I start getting on a small tactical level of doing the nuts and bolts, if I already know where I'm going, it's a whole lot easier for me to understand what's happening, why things are happening, and it makes it easier to get to where I'm going, achieve that beautiful look. And this is going to be a great opportunity for folks to, get in there and start doing, you're going to be showing your hand press technique, and you're not going to be doing the whole thing. They're going to be doing it too.
Yeah, exciting.
And that's really
It's a pretty
fun.
big piece.
I need the help.
It's
Yeah, it's pretty big.
There are three big pieces that all have to be done simultaneously.
Yeah,
And
hold the book up again, Jeff. Because
I've already got the cut sheet.
like multiple sections to this. Yeah, we have the cut sheets ready, but
Yeah.
the vertical part is going to be the pressed part, right? And then
Yeah.
the top part is actually going to be GFRC. So we'll be covering two totally different techniques
right
in the
right.
class.
Let me, see if there's a photo of the finished piece
I think it's on the back.
in the back.
Yeah.
Or in the last
Put it
Yeah,
in the
page.
back.
there's sort of a close-up of it.
Yeah.
That's your wheat color, and then we're going to do ash for the countertop, so it'd be this gray.
And we might have some wine or some beer
Might have some wine
when the
and some
bar is
beer.
finished.
Exactly. Yeah. And
Your
we're gonna,
host happens to be a bourbon aficionado, so maybe there'll be some of that.
There may be some bourbon.
yes.
That's right.
Yeah. And there is a brewery more or less
Walking distance, less than a block.
less than a block. So yeah, there's not going to be any shortage of tasty libations for the people who
We're going to need it after we
we're going to
make
need it.
That's right.